Former President of Naija Obasanjo don call on Naija leaders to dey selfless as leadership na opportunity to serve the nation and im people, and say e no suppose be my own but our own as na wetin sustainable and ogbonge development dey about, and say the way things dey for Naija dey hard but e no get how e go bad reach say e no go better one day. The question na when and how. Obasanjo yarn this one for one courtesy visit to Governor Godwin Obaseki for Government House, Benin City, Edo State. The former president come talk say he enter Benin City to come pay dowry in a way to the governor as one of his small cousin dey marry Benin girl, and say it dey necessary for him to first visit the governor, wey also be the chief security officer of the state.
He really here on a quick courtesy call on the governor, but what I have come for principally is also to pay dowry in a way to the governor, because a kid cousin of mine is marrying a Benin girl, and because I come purposely for that, and then because in my part of the world we say you don't go in front of the Oba's palace without calling on the Oba. So I haven't come here, and I must, when the governor is around, I must pay courtesy call and then use that opportunity to be briefed on what is going on in Edo State. Yeah, well, the situation is hard, unfortunately so. But there's no bad situation that will not be good. The question is when and how. So all we should be saying to those who have the opportunity now, because it's an opportunity for you to have to run the affairs of your country, look after your people. It's an opportunity that it should not be me, it should be we. It should not be mine, it should be ours. It should not be my tomorrow, it should be our tomorrow. It should not be my generation, it should be all generations, including the generation coming. Because that is what sustainable development is about. You don't eat today and not remember the generation coming that they too will have to eat. That's what it is. The point really is that, one good thing that I like about the Bible, that anything you want in terms of wisdom is there in the Bible. And the Bible said there is time for everything. Time to live, time to die, time to sleep, time to be awake, time to talk, time to be silent. Yeah. So you have to wait for the right time for things to happen.
For the ogbonge development wey Governor Godwin Obaseki don do for the last 7.5 years, Obasanjo come here and say,
like our people will say, Gani ya Fiji, meaning seeing is believing. And so when you are in a place, you learn a lot more by your visit than just hearing, and that's what has happened to me. I am a lot better educated now about things in Edo State, recent and immediate future, from the briefing that I've received from the governor.
make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Government House, Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.